P&J Productions present a compilation of pawing. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pawing.
Maybe look at that.
And that's it.
Nightclubs, really, not for me, never have been. The music, the noise. I think the night out for me is about a social experience where the people who you're with, you talk to them, you have a good night, you have a drink, of course you do. But the idea of nightclubs, you've got this sort of music in your ear, this banging noise. That isn't for me, that. It's not a scarf, it's a hoodie. Give me a break. We were absolutely destroying teams down that right hand side. He was with his cross.
Always talked. He could always talk, and we very rarely listened to him.
The streams don't come out to the first time at Wembley. I must admit, I had a little tear.
To get a phone call from the England manager would have always been great. But to get it from Glenn Hoddle, that was a special moment. As a young kid, I loved
hospital, but his last kind of moments or his interactions were more in this room lately. So you can find the sleep down in the room.
We lose this V1 CCTV as a shopping centre in Europe, so that's a good area to extend our CCTV parameters. And the shopping centre itself, from previous experience, has excellent CCTV.
Detectives begin trawling the CCTV from the day of the attack. And finally, this produces the breakthrough police have been waiting for.
I can see him immediately coming into the front entrance. A very distinctive wall. I see the distinctive white logo on the top left of the jacket. It's a big breakthrough.
Now detectives have a clear image of their suspect's face. They can check to see if it is the man stopped in the housing estate.
If we look here at the photograph of the ID card, when we compare it to this piece of footage, now that, to me, is spot on.
Mark Freskowski.
This is a state. They dumped the car here where Jefferson found it. It's walking distance to the complex.
They walked it right out of the way.
Maybe the timing works. Denise had to change back into her work clothes at some point. No, she's not driving.
So?
Jane's theory is she changed clothes in the car. Then she had to throw them away. Maybe she threw them out the car window.
Or she pulled over and threw it away in the dumpster.
How did they was getting out of the car?
Rocket is now going to rise up. In a moment, we shall lose it. The automatic cameras will go back, and we will show you how the rocket sees the Earth. Universe
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.